guys, I wanted to come on here today and do a very quick unboxing of something that I picked up that I'm hoping is going to be awesome. And I saw this recently on another YouTuber's channel, and it was like an answer to my prayers because I've been wanting to get Valentino rock stud shoes, but they're so expensive, and I normally save money to buy handbags because I feel like they wear a lot better than shoes. So when she posted about these dupes on DSW's website, I immediately ordered them. So I want to show you guys what they look like. All I've done is cut the tape. I haven't looked at these yet. So I have my receipt in here, and I had to get a $5 item so I could use a coupon so I could get to a $100 threshold. So I got some socks my kids will love because they're donuts. So I got two pairs. They are both by the company Mix number 6. And these are the flats that I got. Hoping they're gonna fit. I got my true size, and the reviews I read said they ran pretty close to true to size. So this is what they look like. I got them both in the nude color. So these are the nude flats, and they are in faux patent leather. So it's not real leather. The studs are not real metal, they're plastic. And you can definitely tell when you look up close that they are. But from far away, I mean, most people aren't gonna be staring right at your shoe up close. I thought they looked pretty darn good in terms of a cheap dupe. And these are, I think the flats were like $45, and I had a coupon that I used on them after that, so they were only like 40 bucks, which is a lot better than $1,000 for real ones. And here are the heels. Also, Mix number 6. Show you what these are like. Actually come packaged pretty well, surprisingly, for the price. So here is what the heels look like. They actually look really good as well. Like I said, if you look really close up in person, you can tell they're not an expensive shoe. But I think from far away on the foot, it's definitely passable for the real thing. So I'm gonna try them on here so you guys can see what they look like on the foot, and I'll let you know if they ran true to size or not. Okay, here's what they look like on the foot. I think they do run true to size. Definitely these fit really well. And I think they look really good, especially from far away. When you're standing completely up, as somebody would be if they were just looking at your shoes while you're out at a bar or restaurant. Really nice. I really like them a lot. Now I'm going to try the flats and see how they fit. So here's what the flats look like. I think they look equally as nice. Actually, I really like both pairs. I probably will end up keeping them both. And they also seem to fit pretty true to size. The one thing I would keep in mind if you order these shoes is that they are a pointy-toed silhouette. So if you have wider feet, you may want to size up a little bit. But my feet are pretty, I would say, standard width, and these work fine for me at my normal size. Thanks so much for watching this quick unboxing of these lovely Valentino rock stud dupes by Mix number 6 on sale on DSW's website. I will link that these shoes below, both pairs. They come in different colors. These, as I mentioned, were $45, and these were $50. And then if you can get a coupon or wait for a sale, I'm sure you could get an even better deal. But I think for a cheap alternative for $1,000 Valentino rock stud shoes, they look pretty good. All right, guys, I'll see you on my next one.